Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Though commonly thought to be a vegetable, cucumber is actually a fruit. It's high in beneficial nutrients, as well as certain plant compounds and antioxidants that may help treat and even prevent some conditions. Also, cucumbers are low in calories and contain a good amount of water and soluble fiber, making them ideal for promoting hydration and aiding in weight loss. In this video we will tell you about health benefits of eating cucumber. Number 1. Easy to add to your diet. Mild with a distinctly crisp and refreshing flavor, cucumbers are commonly enjoyed fresh or pickled in everything from salads to sandwiches. Cucumbers are also often eaten raw as a low-calorie snack or can be paired with hummus, olive oil, salt or salad dressing to add a bit more flavor. Number 2. It may lower blood sugar. Cucumbers may help reduce blood sugar levels and prevent some complications of diabetes. Cucumber peel reversed most of the diabetes-associated changes and caused a decrease in blood sugar. Cucumbers may be effective at reducing oxidative stress and preventing diabetes-related complications. However, the current evidence is limited to test tube and animal studies. Further research is needed to determine how cucumbers may affect blood sugar in humans. Number 3. It could promote regularity. Eating cucumbers may help support regular bowel movements. Dehydration is a major risk factor for constipation, as it can alter your water balance and make the passage of stool difficult. Cucumbers are high in water and promote hydration. Staying hydrated can improve stool consistency, prevent constipation and help maintain regularity. Number 4. It may aid in weight loss. Cucumbers could potentially help you lose weight in a few different ways. Each 1 cup, 104-gram, serving contains just 16 calories, while an entire 11-ounce, 300-gram cucumber contains only 45 calories. This means that you can eat plenty of cucumbers without packing on the extra calories that led to weight gain. Number 5. It's high in nutrients. Cucumbers are low in calories, but high in many important vitamins and minerals. Cucumbers have a high water content. In fact, cucumbers are made up of about 96% water. To maximize their nutrient content, cucumbers should be eaten unpeeled. Peeling them reduces the amount of fiber, as well as certain vitamins and minerals. Number 6. It contains antioxidants. Antioxidants are molecules that block oxidation, a chemical reaction that forms highly reactive atoms with unpaired electrons known as free radicals. Fruits and vegetables, including cucumbers, are especially rich in beneficial antioxidants that may reduce the risk of these conditions. Number 7. It promotes hydration. Water is crucial to your body's function, playing numerous important roles. It is involved in processes like temperature regulation and the transportation of waste products and nutrients. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.